Cincinnati,
Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you an unboxing from GearBest. There is the Bilikay Y1 696. Let's open it. So here's the box. It's a smartwatch, really cheap, for around 10 euros. What we found at the box, there is only the cable, some instructions, micro USB cable for charging it, the instructions. Don't worry, I think it also came in English, so there you can read the specs of it, but wait, I will tell you. And here's the smartwatch. This smartwatch can be used as independent phone. It has the same functions like calling or sending messages, only by inserting your SIM card. It uses micro SIM. It works at 2G at quad band. Also, you can connect it via Bluetooth to your smartphone, for example, for receive messages, calls, notifications from WhatsApp, for example. It has 1.54 inches display with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. It has a battery of 280 mAh. It runs a CPU MediaTek 6261D. You can put a micro SD card up to 32 GB, for example, for insert your media content like photos or music at MP3 format. You can use the smartwatch, for example, for hear your music from the memory card or like a Bluetooth speaker. It has vibrator, speaker and microphone for notifications or voice recorder, for example. Now let's turn it on. Here's the home screen. There you can see how much you walk, the time and the date, the battery and the profile set. At the main menu we can find the dialer, phone book, messaging, car register, Facebook app, Twitter, internet browser navigator, WhatsApp, Bluetooth connectivity, settings, remote control, anti-lost phone, sedentary alarm, pedometer, calendar, sleep mode, file manager, alarm, profiles, image viewer, audio player, sound recorder, calculator, some DEMS, Bluetooth music, you can use it as Bluetooth speaker, remote control for taking your photos with your smartphone, and SIM settings. Also settings at the accelerometer it has, and power saving settings. So this is how it looks, and this is my unboxing video. And here's the watch faces. It only has these three. please take a look at the review of this smartwatch. See you soon in my next videos. Bye bye!